Alright, this morning we're going to talk about this two bike hitch mount bike rack that we purchased from Harbor Freight. There's a picture of the box. It says it'll hold 100-pound capacity. Well, we have a couple bikes and we're going to see if we can put this thing together. I'll show you the assembly of it and we'll give you a little review, let you know what we think. Here's a set of directions. Nothing extraordinary, that's for sure. Small box of hardware, and when you open it up, this is it. Parts are all kind of laid in there. Show you how it goes on. These are the first pieces you want to grab out. This one is a little spacer. We have an actual, the larger 2-inch hitch, so we're going to need the spacer piece. I guess it's also designed so you can just go with the smaller one, but if you have that hitch, you need to get your the big bolt out, which is threaded, get your lock washer out on the outside, the big washer on, and your cotter pin. And just a second, I'll show you how it goes together. As you can see, there's a hole right here where the pin is going to go through. There's a little catch right there, a little pin. That pin goes in the hole to the front. It lines up on the side there. I'll show you what it looks like. And when it's put together, that's what it looks like when it's put on. It'll be flush designed so that will slide right in, line up with your hole on the side, and then you can just take your bolt, screw it right in. Going to need a size 19 metric wrench to screw that in. And then over on this side, put your cotter pin. Alright, there it is with the bolt tightened on the cotter pin. And as you can see, it won't rattle around. Alright, here it is with the upright on. Put the bolt in the bottom. It can swing. And that's where you put your pin. Just as a side note, when you get ready to put these 3 bolts on for the upright, all 3 bolts appear to be exactly the same, and you'll need a 15 and a 17 metric wrench. There are the top 2 arms put on. These things will just spin right up around. Now we'll get to fasten a couple bikes into this. Drive to a neighboring town. See how it goes. We'll let you know. Alright, so there we are with 2 bikes on it. One full-size bike on the back and a smaller full suspension on the inside, and we were able to make it work. Alright, so we just drove about 45 miles and went riding for a while and just came back. So thing worked flawless. The only thing I will say is the straps that hold this down are Velcro. I don't know what they are on the more expensive models, but seem to hold the bikes really well. And this thing at Harbor Freight cost $39.99, but you can get the coupon for 20% off any single item, which is what we did. So we paid like $33 and change out the door, tax and all. Works really well for what we want, and the price was right.